Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show to make this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, select this background layer and look here. And then let's create new null object. I will make fake camera effect. And let's change name fake camera. So in this time let's hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point center and clickation tool and select these car layers, link to fake camera layer and select this null object. Let's press P and move it down. So in this time go to text, let's write here our text, service, and clickation tool, go to color, change to white, click OK, and let's go to here, let's click this. Okay, change font size and go to enable title action save, and let's hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon again for move the anchor point center, clickation tool and change like this. Okay, so for now let's go to align, go to window, enable align and click this icon and this icon and go to window, open animation composer 3. I will use text animation, open starter presets and text layer folder, animate characters, and let's select overshot animation or this. Okay, let's click in for add effect and close window. Select this mark and move to right for slow animation. Let's see. Nice. So right now select this text, also link to null object and select this null, and after text animation let's make new passing keyframe and go to here and move to up this here. Okay, so select these keyframes, make easies or click F9 and go to graph editor, select this first keyframe, let's make graph like this and let's say animation. Okay, so back to keyframes and select this text and let's press P, make new passing keyframe, go to here and move to up. Okay, so in this time let's make animation for this car. Let's close keyframe settings and select this head. Let's link to body, select this body, link to car layer and select this car inside, link to also car layer and select this car layer and go to pen behind, move the anchor point a little bit down, clickation tool, and right now let's press P, make new passing keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in keyboard or click time duration, right here plus 10 for go to 10 keyframes, click OK and move it down body and go to 10 keyframes again, select first keyframe, copy paste and select keyframes, make easies and let's select work area. Okay, so go to first second and select this window, let's go to solo, click this icon for see background and this is low opacity layer. Let's right mouse and go to create and create shapes from vector layer and select this original window layer and delete. Select window, let's delete this outlines text and unsolo. Select this window, let's link to car layer. Let's see. Okay, nice. So in this time let's add some physics. Select this car and hold shift, press R, open rotation and make rotation keyframe, chain rotation -6. Okay, this is very high. Let's change -3 or -2. Okay, and let's change -1.5 and go to here, change 1.5 or change 1. Let's see, and go to again 10 keyframes, select first keyframe, copy paste, select keyframes, make easies and for random dynamic animation hold alt, select 3 rotation keyframes and move to right. Let's see. Okay, so select these all keyframes, move to the left and select this work area. And right now let's add expression for endless loop animation. Hold Alt, click this time icon and go to play button, property and loop duration. For done expression, click this empty area. Also make sound for rotation, hold Alt, click time and go to play button, property and loop duration. Let's see. Nice. So let's select work area here for now and select these wheels. Let's go to first second, press R, make rotation keyframes and go to last seconds, change 12. Let's see. Nice, very good. So right now let's go to here. In this time let's select this window and press P, make new pattern keyframe and go to 5 keyframes, move the down window for open and then we can see character. Select keyframes, make easies, and for hide this layer let's go to layer, new and solid layer and let's add name mask, click OK and change mask like this, put here. Okay, select mask and move to here, and if you don't see this part, click toggle switch mode and select this window. Let's change here alpha inverted matte. Let's see. Nice. So don't forget to select this mask and link to car layer. Let's see. Okay, select this mask, let's move it up. Okay, nice. So select these window layers, move to the left here. Okay, and let's in this time select this character eye white and eyeball, link to head and zoom to here, select these two layers, let's move to here. Okay, select this eye white, let's control D for duplicate, select eye white, move to inside and change none to alpha matte eye white 2 and select this eye white 2, let's link to eye white layer, select this eye white layer, press S, click this icon and make scale keyframes, go to 3 keyframes. For go to frame by frame, press page down in keyboard 1, 2, 3 and change scale like this. Let's change 5, go to 3 keyframes again, 1, 2, 3, change 100 and select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Nice. So select these keyframes, let's copy and go to here, Ctrl V for random eye blink animations. Okay, so right now select this body and go to solo, select pen behind, move it down anchor point, click session tool and unsolo. And let's go to here, press R, make rotation keyframe, chain rotation -1 or -3. Go to 10 keyframes, change 2 and go to 10 keyframes, select first keyframe, copy paste and make keyframes easies. Let's see. Okay, so select keyframes, move to left and let's use expression again. Hold Alt, click this time icon, go to play button, property and loop duration and click here for done expression. Let's see. Nice. So let's select this body and move it down a little bit. Okay, so right now select this mask and Ctrl D again, move to here and let's select this body, go to select alpha inverted matte. Let's see. Nice. Select this mask, move it up a little bit. Okay, select this body, move it down a little bit like this and mask, move it down. Okay, I like it. So select this head and go to solo, select pan behind, move it down here, let's unsolo, and clisation tool, press R, make rotation keyframe, go to 10 keyframes, chain rotation like this, and select keyframes, make easies, and hold shift, press P, go to first second here, and make new passing keyframe, go to middle, move it down for bonus animation, go to next keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste, and make keyframes easies. Let's see. Nice. And go to here, let's add some rotations. Let's select this, move to the left, and make new rotation. Go to 10 keyframes, change rotation like this, and go to here again, make new rotation. Go 10 keyframes, change rotation, and here this is random keyframes, and select these 3 passing keyframes, copy, and here go to past keyframes. Okay, nice. Let's see here. Nice, and let's add background elements. Let's see full animation again for perfect timing. Okay, very good. And let's close all settings for keyframes and go to layer, new and solid layer. And let's select this background color with airdrop icon and change color dark red, click OK, click OK here, and let's go to mask tools. Let's select here rectangle tool, and let's make random builds like this. Okay, so clisation tool and change name builds and move it behind car layers. So in this time select these builds, and in this time let's link to fake camera null object. Okay, and let's go to FX presets. Let's search here reptile and select the CC reptile effect. Let's use for builds solid layer. And in this time let's press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to next keyframe and move to left, change expand right. Let's change this 3000 and select this last keyframe, move to left more for show speed. Let's select this work area, let's animation. Okay, this very slowly. Select this last keyframe, move to left more, hold shift, move to left more, and change expand 8000. Let's say again. Okay, nice. So let's go to layer, new and new solid, add name builds 2, and click OK, and go to solo. I want to create new builds. Let's go to mask and make random builds like this. And clisation tool. Let's unsolo and let's use fill for builds 2 and select airdrop, select color and change to dark red. Okay, right now let's press P and go to first second and make new passing keyframe, go to next keyframe and move to left like this. So go to FX presets, search again reptile, select reptile, let's use for builds 2 and change expand right 5000. Or let's try 8000. Okay, let's see. Okay, so select these builds and press P, select last keyframe and move to back for more slow animation. Okay, nice, I like it. Let's move to right more for very slowly. Okay, that's good. So let's go to layer, new and null object. And select this null, move to behind here. And select these builds. Let's link to null layer. And select this null, press P, move to up. Okay, this is more realistic. So select this null and let's delete. Select these builds layers, link to again fake camera null object. In this time select these builds layers, press U and select first keyframes, move to left. Move to left more. Okay, and let's hold shift press T, make opacity keyframes, go to back and change opacity 0. Nice, and select these opacity keyframes, move to right. Nice, I like it. And let's add road lines. Go to layer, new and solid layer. And let's use black color, click OK, add name, road, click OK, and move to behind layers and move to right, and also move to down. So let's link to again this fake camera control. Nice, I like it. And finally let's add road line. Let's close title action save for see full animation clean and go to pen tool. Let's hold shift, make one line like this. Colorization tool, go to fill, select none for close inside color and go to stroke color, change to white and change stroke width 15. And select the shape layer 1, link to camera and open inside contents, shape 1, open stroke 1 and click this dashes icon. Then change dashes. Okay, and in this time make offset keyframes and go to next keyframe and move to right. Let's see, let's select work area. This very slowly. Let's go to last keyframe, move to more, again move to more. Let's change this 9000. Okay, that's good. So select the shape layer, change road line and move to behind car layer. Okay, very good. I like it. So let's see full animation. Nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.